Let me get out the sunlight. All right, so here we go. Okay, so here we have the Nebia by Moen, which includes wand, the actual shower itself, which was a Kickstarter. And so this is 3.0 of this product, which is in partnership with Moen, who's been in business over 70 years. And let's take a look at the box and just talk about what my experiences were with it. So first thing, this thing is marketed and packaged very, very well, right? Everything's in its place. You can really tell that Kickstarter, Silicon Valley kind of company came up with this. And thankfully they partnered with Moen to have some longevity in the business. We actually chose the white and chrome version. There's 4 different models you can choose. It comes with the wand. You can actually buy it without the wand. There's a little magnetic dome that you attach to the wall to connect the wand. And then the actual shower head, which is supposedly going to save you 40% more water than a regular shower. Okay, that's the whole key of this thing. Inside the box, all of the pipes, tools, and connectors that you need. And this thing actually installed really, really quickly and easily. All right, so let's talk about this, the Nebia by Moen shower. I got my little handy dandy list right here. We're gonna go over the top 3 pros and the top 3 cons. All right, top 3 pros. Number 1, you do get a full shower body experience. Unlike the regular shower that we have, it was much, much better. I felt like I was engulfed with shower, and I felt like it was a spa-like experience. So that's number 1. Number 2, you get to save water. So you're saving the planet and you're taking a shower at the same time. Where else can you do this? And number 3, it was super easy to install. It took me like 15 minutes to do this install, top to bottom. The only thing that I wish they would put in the box, which they did not, was plumber's tape. They could have just put a little bit of plumber's tape in there. It would have been 100%. All right, cons. It's costly. I will say, you saw some of the prices as I was looking at the website. However, what you didn't see was there's different prices for the different models, right? So different colors that you get cost different prices. The all black model, matte black finish, costs $100 more than the one that I got. And so when you're looking at these, you want to pick the right color. They make a white and chrome, they make a black and chrome, they make a spotless bronze or something, and then they make the matte black. You're gonna pay a different price, and it's pretty expensive. So $258 is what I paid, and yeah. So cost, number 1 on my cons list. Number 2, it makes the water a little bit colder. I know, right? Go figure that. So the way that the shower head actually works and the way that it saves water is to create a fine mist of the water that's coming out. And so people have rumored that they felt the shower was colder. They've said that version 1 of the Kickstarter one was a little bit colder. Then they made version 2 is a little bit better. And then the Nebia by Moen one is like version 3. A slight issue with it. I didn't have any issues with it. When you get closer to the jets, you can feel the warmth of the water. The further you get away, because it's going to be more misting, you're not going to feel the warmth. So that's number 2. All right, number 3, if you've got a lot of hair and you need to wash your hair and it's a lot of soap and all that good stuff, you're probably going to have some issues with this. While the amount of water is decreased, the pressure and the way it hits your body is not, so that's a good thing. But if you got to wash a bunch of stuff out of your hair, soap and whatnot, yeah, I don't know. This may or may not be the shower head for you. I did wash my hair. I didn't have any problems, but my hair is kind of, it's manageable. Okay, I'll take that back. Anyway, that's my top 3 pros, and that's my top 3 cons. Should you buy this? I don't know. I would say scale of 1 to 5. Would I buy it again? 3.5 maybe. I think it really depends on who else you're living with and what things that they want out of a shower, and whether or not they're very conscious about saving water, or whether that's something you guys agree on. So that's my review of the Nebia by Moen. I'll check you on the next one. Peace.